your host for today's event. Brigada Escuela is a wonderful initiative that brings together teachers, parents, students, and community partners to prepare our schools for the upcoming academic year 2024-2025. Today, we are here to celebrate the spirit of volunteerism and community collaboration. And to formally commence our program this morning, we have an opening prayer.
What a beautiful way to kick off our new school year. Parents, teachers, barangay officials, students, LGU employees, headed by Honorable Mayor Manuel Villahermosa and Honorable Vice Mayor Albert Villahermosa, private government agencies, civic organizations, and volunteers. Basically, the entire municipal of Ilocos as a whole are flocking to schools, working hand in hand and helping clean and beautify them for a fresh school year start. But what is better than a clean and beautiful school is the camaraderie and compassion, symbolizing the goodwill and support of the entire municipality to the respective schools. True, our schools are faced with different challenges as each year passes by. But as long as we stand united and support our schools, no challenge that alone setback is too difficult for us to overcome. As Chairman of Committee on Education, I am honored and full of gratitude to welcome you all to this year's Brigada Escuela Kickoff School Year 2024-2025. May this be a start of a fruitful and fun-filled year for all our schools. Thank you and Anatma Hilongosmo.
The Republic Act 8525, which was enacted during the time of our former President, Fidel V. Ramos. The Adapt a School program aims to encourage volunteerism and public-private partnership in the Department of Education. Brigada Escuela is also known as the National Schools Maintenance Week, and this is an annual program of the Department of Education. The program mobilizes community members, LGU officials, parents, teachers and learners, and other stakeholders to contribute their time, efforts, and resources to prepare public schools for the opening of the school year. For the purpose of Brigada Escuela, number 1, school readiness. We need to ensure that the schools are clean, safe, and conducive for learning by the start of the school year. Second, community involvement. We need to encourage volunteerism and community participation in school maintenance and enhancement activities. Third, resource mobilization. We need to gather resources and support from various sectors to supplement the different budget of the schools. Donations, materials, equipment, and financial assistance from local businesses, organizations, and individuals. Here are the activities for the Brigada Escuela. 1. General cleaning of the school premises including classrooms, restrooms, and outdoor areas. 2. Prepare and encourage minor repair of school facilities such as fixing broken chairs, windows, and doors. 3. Repainting of classrooms and facilities and other structures to improve the school appearance. And number 4, gardening, landscaping, pruning, and planting of trees to enhance the school environment. By doing all of these activities mentioned earlier, guided by the Brigada Eskwela Theme 2024, Bayanihan para sa Matatag na Paaralan, we can make all the schools of the Municipality of Ilongos ready for the opening of classes comes July 29, 2024. On behalf of the three districts of this beautiful municipality, namely Ilongos North, Ilongos East, and Ilongos South, I would like to express my words of gratitude to our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Manuel R. Villahermosa, for this LGU Lead Kick-Off Ceremony for the Brigada Eskwela 2024. A round of applause. And to our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Albert R. Villahermosa, SD members, department heads, and to all the employees of LGU Ilongos, our expression of gratitude also to all of you. A big round of applause, please. The school heads, the teachers, the learners are forever grateful for making education as one of the priorities of LGU Ilongos. Thank you, and angat ka Ilongosnon!
That is an annual nationwide campaign in the country that focuses the needs for collective action to support and improve the quality of education in the country. It is an initiative of the Department of Education that mobilizes different sectors of society such as parents, teachers, local government units, non-governmental organizations, private corporations, and individuals. In the preparation of public school facilities for the opening of classes each school year, sa akong pagdumala sa atong lungsod, akong siguro ang edukasyon kay sayon ko nga kini ang pinaka-importante nga sektor sa atong lungsod. Sa atong tagline sa nagkahilongos ng makita ninyo ang litra ng A, stands for Academic and Education Enhancement. Ako kanunay siguro na matanglaan ng pondo ang sektor sa edukasyon, pinaagi sa atong Special Education Fund na under sa atong school board. Mahinaw ko ang pondo nga atong bigahin sa mga eskwelahan makatabang pag-ayo sa mga ginagmay ng mga pagkadugang sa mga lupa, makaayo sa mga lupa, pagkadugang improve sa atong mga equipment na makatabang pagtulo sa atong mga kabataan. Ako sa bihanyo tanan sa pagtabang sa atong mga eskwelahan, pinaagi sa Brigada Eskwela, atong buhingon kanunay ang usata Filipino values na mao ang bayanihan senior to the collective efforts of different stakeholders in the education sector. It will ensure that all Ilongos children will have access to quality education. Daghang salamat mga kabrigada kung angat ka Ilongos mo. Executive and Chairperson of Local School Board, I hereby declare Brigada Eskwela 2024 open.
Possible learning environment. I would now like to invite our distinguished guests to be led by Mr. Mayor Manuel R. Villahermosa, our Vice Mayor Albert R. Villahermosa, and all the SP members together with all the district supervisors to commence the signing of the Pledge of Commitment.